Hello and welcome to Issues Watch Overtime. We did have some questions that came in from the audience that we were unable to answer during our regular broadcast, so we'd like the opportunity to answer them for you all today. So the first one I'm going to punt to Ralph. Won't the tax decrease offsets to the Transportation Tax Fund increase the likelihood of future tax increases in order to meet New Jersey's budgetary requirements?
And the answer to that is our hope is that it won't, and that they will find opportunities to be more efficient and save costs. And so hopefully with funding the Transportation Trust Fund, hopefully that'll improve our debt rating as well. So the cost to bond or borrow funds for major projects will be less. So I think that's what hopefully lawmakers are going to be challenged to do in that. And also I think, you know, the new governor coming in will also be challenged to how he or she puts together a budget that, you know, is balanced.
Okay. Thanks, Ralph. And I also want to, I think two of our viewers asked the question on the SCorp due dates. It was missing from the slide that was up there, and the reason it was missing is there is no change. It's still March 15th on the SCorp due date. So Walter, next one for you. Was there any discussion at the NJBIA or at the state level providing relief to New Jersey businesses in regards to continuing increase in healthcare premiums? Have you heard any talk from your members on this?
Well, at the BIA, both in the economic survey that I would encourage our members to look at if you're, assuming you're a member of NJBIA. It was in the magazine, which was published about a week and a half ago. So healthcare is a headwind for businesses, there's no doubt about it. It was one of the top issues of concerns by members of BIA that responded to that survey, and I think everyone's hopeful and expecting that something is going to change on the national scene. Since healthcare is primarily driven by the federal government, we license insurance companies, but the state really has very little control over that. So I think businesses will have options, we think, going forward with the repeal of ACA, or at least portions of it. And we'll see if there's new products that are going to come out from the insurance carriers for our small business and business members. So it's something we deal with in our own firm. We made changes to our own health plan at our accounting firm, moving to more high deductible and health savings accounts in 2017. So everyone's dealing with this every year. It's not something we're going to escape. But as something that definitely came out in the survey as a concern and a possible headwind for small business.
Thanks, Walter. Ralph, with the increase of retirement exclusion, has the income cap been raised from $100,000 to qualify?
No, the income caps is still at $100,000. So it's just the exclusions were increased from the 15 and 20,000 to 75,000 for singles and 100,000 for married. Right. But the cap is still once you hit adjusted gross income of 100,000.
Okay. Well, that concludes today's Issues Watch Overtime. Thank you for tuning in. Please join us for our upcoming editions of Issues Watch on January 12th and June 23rd. In the meantime, check njcpa.org, NJCPA Pulse, and the open forum for updates on all the topics we discussed today and more. And again, happy holidays to all.
Happy holidays.